time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up today, and once it crossed the crucial resistance area of 75.30 and 75.40 resistance zone, it continued to gain strength throughout the day and ended the day with an impressive 102-point gain on the Nifty. The advance decline ratio was also pretty impressive with 1,122 advances to 480 declines. The mid-cap index was up by 2.2% and the small-cap index closed up by 1.9% in today's trading session. From the Nifty 50 pack, ICICI, ONGC, L&T, HDFC were some of the major contributors to the rise in Nifty today, while Tata Motors, M&M, Bajaj Auto, Maruti were some of the stocks of the Nifty 50 pack which closed in the negative, though marginally in the negative today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has closed above the crucial resistance of the 20-day simple moving average. In the last trading session, we saw the Nifty was trying to close above the 20-day simple moving average. However, it was facing resistance and could not cross. However, in today's trading session, after the Nifty opened with a gap up, the Nifty tried to manage above the crucial resistance, and it managed to sustain above that crucial resistance, and at the end of the day it closed with a handsome gain of 102 points. This downward sloping resistance trend line was crossed on intraday basis. However, on a closing basis, we can observe that the Nifty has just managed to close around that crucial resistance line. So in tomorrow's trading session, if we see today's high being reached on the upside, then traders can add on to their long positions on Nifty in the coming trading sessions. The daily momentum indicator is now just turning from the equilibrium line, which is a good sign, and in the coming trading sessions, if the Nifty manages to sustain or continue its positive momentum on the upside, then the daily momentum indicator will also join in, will give a positive crossover which will add further speed to the rise in the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we can observe that the Nifty has faced resistance around that downward sloping resistance trend line. It has closed just around there in today's trading session. If in tomorrow's trading session we see Nifty crossing today's high, then traders can initiate or add on to their long positions. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also has closed with a gain of more than 1% in today's trading session. The small or mid-cap PSU banks like Syndicate Bank, Allahabad Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Canara Bank, Oriental Bank closed with the gains of more than 5% each in today's trading session. So we feel that in coming trading sessions, the large cap banks should also join in the party, and which could take the Bank Nifty even higher on the upside. We expect levels of 15,330 and 15,600 on Bank Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Crucial supports are placed at 15,060 and 14,950 on the downside. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive. Today, in today's trading session, the 20-day simple moving average, we have closed above that. So now that becomes a crucial support for the Nifty, which is placed at 75.51. Crucial supports are placed at 75.80 and 75.51. Crucial resistance is placed at 76.63, which is the swing high on hourly charts you can observe, and 7700, which is the all-time high. So overall friends, our view still remains positive. Today's trading session, we saw a good rally on the upside. We expect this rally to continue on the upside in the coming trading sessions. That's all for the day. Thank you.